Now, to get it done, go to your App Store, search for PPSSPP. Now, this is the emulator. So simply download to your device and then open the app for the first time. Once you open the app for the first time, it's going to open up like this. Once it's done, just locate your file manager, which is this app, your file manager app. Click on it, and you're going to see that it have actually created a PSP folder in here. So if yours, let me say yours open like this, all you have to do, just click on this on my iPhone. If you click on my iPhone, you will see that it have created a PPSSPP folder. You see that there's all the folder that you need in here. So now what you need to do is to extract a game file and place it in here so you can play it on your iPhone device. So right now we're going to locate a game file. In this case, it's actually a PSP game file. So once I come in here, you can see I'm having a lot of game file. So just make sure that you are actually having a zip game file, because zip game files are easier to work on when it comes to iPhone or rather iOS. So right now, you have to extract your game file. So I'm going to hold down on any of my game file right now. If I hold down on it, you see the uncompressed icon. So simply click on uncompress and it's going to, uncompress the game file. So you can see this is the original game file. So I'm going to be moving the original game file to my PSP folder. So I will hold down on it. You see the cut or move icon. So let me click on move. Now I'm moving it into my PSP folder. So let me do it from the beginning. I'll click on my iPhone, PPSSPP, PSP, game, then I'll move it in there. Now, once I open my PPSSPP emulator, I click on PSP game. You can see that the game is there and is ready to play. So it's very simple and easy to do. Now let's give this game a try and see how it goes. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now. It have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.